How to hide friend list on Facebook. In this quick tutorial, I will guide you that how you can hide friend list on Facebook from others. First of all, log into your Facebook account, make sure you are logged in and also make sure that you are using the updated version of Facebook. Now click on these three dotted line. Now click on gear icon. Now slide down and click on how people find and contact you. Now here you can see who can see your friends list. Now you can check it. If it's not set on only me, you can set on everyone, public, friend except specific only or only me. Now select it on only me and click on this arrow. Now your friend list is hidden and no one can see except you. So this was the quick tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, click on subscribe button and like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.